Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I got a new, it's probably my other video, but I got a new microphone, so maybe you can hear me better when I'm very quiet. So I rewatched some of my videos. I'm like, oh my goodness, I am so quiet. I mean, it's not like I'm just a quiet person. That's okay. Soft spoken, I guess. So today's prompt is I'm seriously, okay, it's the 20th. Sheesh. It's heart magnet with glitter layers. And let's see. See, this is going to be a giant magnet. Oh, well, put a lot of magnets on it, I guess. And so I'm like, glitter layers again with the layers and with the hearts. I don't think ChatGPT thinks I am capable of anything else other than glitter and hearts and I don't know. I'm gonna have a talk with that bot. Sheesh. I might make two of them and just change up the layers. Wait. I'm gonna have to use a little bit more. I'm using a lot of this stuff lately. Oh well. But anyway, so we're pretty far into July. This has been a fun challenge and I've really enjoyed it. But if anyone's new here, I'm Carrie and I like to make pretty things. And I have been doing a challenge with, I've had AI give me prompts every day and okay, so I decided to kind of start again, make this a little bit smaller because I was noticing it's just not going to have a lot of space on the sides to leave any room for like visible layering. So I decided, let's take two. This would be take two. I'm still keeping the other one. Ew, this one's kind of moving. Come on, don't be a fail. No one likes a failure. Just kidding. It's okay to fail. Get back up again. Do it again. Okay, what do I do now? All right, so I finished this up. We'll see how it looks, if it actually worked this time. I didn't want to go up into here because it's supposed to be a magnet. Okay, that is much better. You can actually see the layer lines and everything. I say that this was a success. And so I just have to clean it up. I can put like maybe a top coat on, I don't know, just a thin little magnet. All right, so day 20 is done. It was a magnet heart with layers of glitter. All right, if you want to continue to watch, see what's next, what's going to happen tomorrow. Oh, the suspense. So if you want to know, subscribe. If you like it, like it. If you want to say something, there's a comment box down below. I'd love to hear from you. Yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.